Morning, children. Today, in our EVS class, we are going to see a new lesson. Are you all ready for the new lesson? Yes. Lesson number 6. What is the lesson name, children? The clothes we wear. The clothes we wear. Okay, so we are going to see what are the different types of clothes that we are wearing. Okay, so now tell me, what are the clothes that you wear at your home and at your school? When you are at your home, you wear frock, or girls will wear frock, boys will wear pant and shirt, right? Yes. Likewise, we have so many categories. Can we see that? Yes. So children, first see what are the different types of dresses. Okay. Okay. What is the first one? Frock. Yes. Second one, sweater. And the third one, skirt. T-shirt, shorts, socks, cap. So what are the different dresses? Frock, sweater, skirt, t-shirt, shorts, socks, cap. Yes. So these are few things and few more are here. Shirt, sari, salwar kameez. Okay. Shirt, sari, salwar kameez. So, first one, frock. Girls will wear frock, right? Yes. Sweater. When do we wear sweater? We wear sweater during winter seasons, right? When it is too cold, we will wear sweater. Yes. Skirt. Skirt is something girls will wear. Yes. Frock and skirt girls will wear. And then t-shirt. T-shirt who will wear? Boys will wear. Yes, small kids will wear t-shirt, right? T-shirt and shorts. Yes, see the pair. T-shirt top and shorts down. Yes, top and bottom, right? Yes. And then socks, cap. Socks you wear to school and come, right? You wear socks, correct? You wear socks and shoes and come to school. And then cap during summer season, right? When it is too hot, you will protect your head from the hot sun. Yes, so you wear cap that time. And next one, shirt. Your father will wear shirt, correct? When he is going for work, he will wear shirt. And your mother and teachers will wear sari. Yes. Have you all seen us wearing sari? Yes. We wear saris. We women wear saris. And then salwar kameez. Excuse me. Salwar kameez. When do we wear salwar kameez? Who wears salwar kameez? Yes, this dress is salwar kameez. I wear salwar kameez. And some others will wear salwar kameez and sari also. Yes, both they will wear. Yes. Okay, these are the different types of dresses that we wear, correct? Yes. So, this lesson is regarding how do we wear dress and what kinds of dress we are wearing. Okay, can we all see? Yes. Children, we are going to read, okay? Reading habit is very important, I have told you, right? So, we are going to read then and then I will explain, okay? First, can we read? Yes. We wear clothes to cover our bodies. We wear clothes to cover our bodies. So, you are going to repeat after me now. We wear clothes to cover our bodies. Yes. Next line. Clothes protect us from the heat. 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 Next, they also keep us warm when it is cold. They also keep us warm when it is cold. They also keep us warm when it is cold. We wear different kinds of clothes at different times. We wear different kinds of clothes at different times. We wear different kinds of clothes at different times. So, can we read it once again, children? We wear clothes to cover our bodies. Clothes protect us from the heat. They also keep us warm when it is cold. We wear different kinds of cloth at different times. So, did you all understand this, children? What is given here? We wear clothes to cover our body. Yes? Our dresses will cover our body, right? From getting the heat or cold, our clothes will help us to protect us. So we wear dress to cover ourselves. Yes, okay. So why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our bodies. Why? To protect us from the heat and cold. Okay? Yes. See what is given next line? Cloth protect us from the heat. Yes. When you wear dress like this, the direct heat will not get into your skin, right? So we wear cloths. Yes. And then it also helps us to keep warm. Yes. During winter season, we will wear 2 to 3 dresses, right? To keep us warm. It will be very cold, right? We will wear dress and keep ourselves warm, right? Yes. So, we wear different kinds of clothes at different times. So, during summertime we will wear one, and during winter time we will wear some. So, can we see what are they? So, first first tell me, why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body. Why? To protect us from the heat and also to keep us warm. Yes. Did you all understand it? Yes. Here is the type of clothes that we wear. Are you all ready? Yes. We wear major 2 types in India. Okay. We mostly have summer and winter. We have many types of seasons. Major, we have summer and winter. Okay. So, summer is hot. Winter is cold. Okay. So, during summer, we wear cotton clothes. What clothes we wear? Cotton clothes. Yes, cotton clothes will help us to keep us away from the heat. Yes, you can wash your face and it will help you to keep yourself fresh. Okay. Cotton cloths will help you to keep yourself away from heat. Okay. And during winter, we will wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes will be thick, and it will help you to uh, protect yourself from the cold. Yes, it will be very cold, right? When you cannot bear, you will wear woolen cloths. The sweater, can you remember, the sweater will be woolen material. So the woolen will help you to keep yourself warm. So what are the two types of cloths we wear during summer and winter? During summer we wear cotton cloths, and during winter we wear woolen cloths. Okay, so these are the two types of cloths that we wear. Yes, can we read it now? Okay. When it is hot, we wear cloths made up of cotton. Cotton helps us to keep us cool. When it is hot, we wear cloths made up of cotton. Cotton cloths keeps us cool. When it is cold, we wear cloths made up of wool. Woolen cloths keeps us warm. When it is cold, we wear cloths made up of wool. Woolen cloths keeps us warm. Okay, these are the major two types we saw, right? So during hot summer we wear cotton. So why do we wear cotton? It helps us to be cool. During cold or winter season, we use woolen dresses. We use woolen dresses to keep ourselves warm. Yes, there is one more thing. What is it? When it rains, we carry umbrellas. Some of us wear raincoats to keep ourselves dry. Yes. When it is rainy season, we carry umbrella, right? We carry umbrella not to get wet in the rain. Yes. So we wear umbrella. We take umbrella during rainy season, and we wear raincoats. It will be just like your dress, right? The overcoat. It will look like a overcoat, which will make you not wet. It will be dry. So the water will go in the raincoat and it will go off. And your dress will not be wet. Okay. So we wear raincoats during rainy season. Yes. So first, what do we wear? We wear cotton cloths during the summer season, and woolen cloths during the winter season, and raincoats and umbrellas during the rainy season. So these are the major parts that we use. Okay, children. So read this. Once again we are going to read. Are you all ready? We wear clothes to cover our bodies. We wear clothes to cover our bodies. Clothes protect us from the heat. Clothes protect us from the heat. They also keep us warm when it is cold. They also keep us warm when it is cold. We wear different kinds of clothes at different times. We wear different kinds of clothes at different times. When it is hot, we wear clothes made up of cotton. When it is hot, we wear clothes made up of cotton. Cotton cloths keeps us cool. Cotton cloths keeps us cool. When it is cold, we wear clothes made up of wool. When it is cold, we wear clothes made up of wool. Woolen cloths keeps us warm. Woolen cloths keeps us warm. When it rains, we carry umbrellas. When it rains, we carry umbrellas. Some of us wear raincoats to keep ourselves dry. Some of us wear raincoats to keep ourselves dry. So children, this is the lesson. Okay, what is the lesson? The different types of clothes that we wear. So you just read the lesson and practice. I will meet you in the next class with the hard words and question and answers. Okay, children? So have the habit of reading. Okay, read along with me and you read by yourself and see. Okay, yes, be safe, eat healthy foods. Okay, children, thank you.